Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel again. So welcome to my mini kitchen! Here our mini kitchen. Sorry for the mess up because our house is too small, so we don't have enough space for that. So today I'm changing my content again to baking. Yay! Yeah, actually I don't have to plan for doing this. It's because of pandemic. It's lockdown again here. First, I don't have anything to do. Second, we cannot going out. Third, no Ramadan, so I cannot visit my in-laws. So we're doing this. I plan to cook. No, not cook. I plan to bake. I'm baking cookies. It's my first time to do this baking, so hope I'm doing correct. I just watching on YouTube and reading the direction from my ingredients, so I hope it'll be taste okay, not that tasty because it's the first time, of course, and the texture will be okay as well. So let's see how. Come with me. So first, we put the butter. And I put the egg. Make sure your hand is clean, ha, to avoid COVID. To make it sure things is clean. I don't have mixer because I normally I'm not a cooking person. Sometimes only. You can see in my content actually. I love cooking but I'm lazy. That it mix it well. Mahirap pala nito. Para akong nagsisi na gumawa. Then put some water. Make sure the butter is a little bit melt na. Then we put this butter cookies mix. After you mix everything and blend it well, make sure it's blend and mixed well. You can add wherever you want. Now you can add a chocolate or raisins, almonds. This depends what kind of cookies you want to bake. This time I want almonds, so I add this. White almonds. Then you mix again. Make sure magbe-blend siya para even. That one is 80 grams. So, I put half. It's around 40 grams only. Ayoko kasi ng too much toppings. Ending, wala nang kakain ng cookies. Puro toppings lang. So, syempre, kung may almond, kailangan may chocolate. But this one is a bit only kasi mas gusto ko siya sa ibabaw. Pero, syempre, kailangan meron din siya sa ilalim. So, nagyan ko na rin siya. Para magbukas ng cookies and cream. Kahit almond and chocolate. I think my cookies is ready to bake. Sayang. This time, I will wear gloves. Papahiran ko siya ng butter. Para hindi masunog yung cookies natin. Yung butter ko isang buo pa. So, namelt ko lang siya dito. Paligid. Para hindi masunog yung cookies. Pag ito naging perfect, magtitinda ako. Char! So, I think enough na siya. Kasi melt na. Now, our cookies. Tansya-tansya na lang. Wala kasi akong spoon ng ano. So, yan. Yung spoon for ice cream. So, at least, yun, pantay yung ano, yung scoop. Make sure the oven is just 190 temperature. Then let's see is the 30 minutes we left. Okay. So while we waiting for this, I will clean it. Definitely clean first. So let's wait. Okay. Bye. See you later. Our cookies is done. Wait, I don't have pot holder because it's still hot. So this is our cookies. Ta-da! Oh, lucky it's not burned. Actually, according to the book, it's just 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So I put 30 minutes. I forgot. So let's see what's the taste. Still hot. Oh, it's not burned. Yay! I thought it will be burned. I'm scared. So this is our cookies. Sana itabon. It's nice. Pwede ko na siya itinda. Masarap. Mainit lang. So with that, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like my video and hope you learned something from me again. I hope I'm done cooking and showing you how to cook the cookies. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. For at least when I'm creating my new video, I'm uploading a new video, you guys get notified. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.